parents. We'll start in 5 minutes. Please be waited. Respected Director, Principal of Euro School, Ms. Vishnuvandana, Directors Jagdish, Suresh, Principal Sajida ma'am, dear parents, beloved teachers and our little shining stars. It is with great joy and excitement that I stand before you today as we gather to celebrate our 4th annual day. Today is a very special day, not just for you or for our school, but for all of us who are a part of this wonderful family. It's a day to celebrate the laughter, the learning and the incredible growth that we have witnessed in our little ones over the past year. Our preschool is a place where young minds bloom, where curiosity is nurtured and where every child is given the space to explore, learn and play. It's hard to believe that this is already our 4th annual day celebration. Over the past year, we have seen our children grow in so many ways, whether it's their first steps towards reading, their newfound love for painting, or the joy of singing and dancing. Today we celebrate every little moment that takes them who they are. A special welcome to our chief guest, directors whose presence today adds extra warmth here with us to share in our joy and pride. Your support means the world to us. To our incredible teachers, thank you for your endless love, patience and dedication. You are the guiding stars in the lives of our little ones and we are so grateful for the care and attention you give each child. You make learning fun, you inspire creativity and you help every child feel special and valued. To all the wonderful parents, thank you for your continued support and trust in us. Your partnership is nurturing these young minds is valuable. We truly appreciate the love and encouragement you provide to our children, both at home and here to school. And of course, to the stars of the day, our adorable children, thank you for filling our hearts with so much joy. Today you will take the stage and share with us the fruits of your hard work, your creativity and the love that you bring to everything you do. Whether you are singing, dancing or simply smiling from the stage, know that we are all so proud of you. You are all truly amazing. As we look forward to today's performances, let's remember that this day is about celebrating the unique journey each child is on and the wonderful growth we have seen over the past year. Every laugh, every hug and every giggle along the way is what makes this journey so special. So let's sit back, relax and enjoy the magical moments ahead. Today is a day for the children to shine and for all of us to celebrate the joy of learning and growing together. Let the celebration begin. Please switch off your mobile phones and enjoy the event. Kindly do not come near the dais. We will share all the photos and videos with you as and when we received. Now I call our little kid Rayansh onto the stage to deliver a cute speech on this annual day.
Hey, good morning my dear parents. Welcome to our 4th annual day Eurokids Aditya Nagar. Today is 4th annual day Eurokids. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Rayansh, for your wonderful and cute speech. As we light this lamp today, we are reminded of the light that each of one of us brings to this world. Just as a single flame can illuminate an entire room, each one of us has the power to spread the knowledge, joy, and kindness to those around us. This light represents the knowledge and wisdom that our teachers impart to us, the hope and dreams that our parents have fun for us, and the endless potential that our students hold within themselves. I request our respected Miss Vandana ma'am, Directors Jagdish and Suresh sir, to kindly come forward and perform the light lampening ceremony. let this lamp illuminate our hearts and minds as we embark on a wonderful day of celebrations. Please come onto the stage, ma'am. Thank you, kids. Please. Our tiny tots, Jagruti, Arush, Rishita are ready to chant the sloka. I request the children to please come onto the dais to sing. No, Rishita, Rishita, no, Patko, Rishita, Patko. Pade, pade. Start. Padu.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमद्दाय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलगुस्तायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यगणमाय गुरवे 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 पुत्रे चेत्री गुरुदैव सहारा सारा गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे पुरुपा कंद कंदकाया हाया गीत साराय गीत तद्वाय गीत गोत्राय धीमहि गोड गुल्फाय गंध मंत्राय गोजय प्रदाय धीमहि नाडीताय गुणाडीशाय गुरप्रप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Presenting the sloka so gracefully. Now I request Ms. K. Vishnuvandana is a distinguished principal notably associated with Euroschool in Hyderabad, recognized for her innovative leadership and receiving awards like the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan National Principal Award 2025 and the National School Award 2020-21, focusing on transforming education and nurturing student potential. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. K. Vishnuvandana, to address the gathering with a few valuable lines. Please come forward, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Eurokids, Aditya Nagar. Thank you, Reyansh, for welcoming actually everyone. Thank you, Reyansh, for welcoming me to my own school. Feels a little different that I'm a chief guest in my own campus. Welcome to all of you officially to Eurokids Metro Campus. You're all here for a cause, and the beautiful cause is to celebrate children. Children, their achievements, their talents, and the way that these children chanted shlokas. Wonderful, that means they could remember so much. Can we have a big round of applause for all the children who came till here? I just want to tell you that you are in the baby school now. Very soon your children will get into the ocean of education. And you must know that there are a lot of changes in the field of education. 10 years ago, what it was and what it is today, there is a sea change. This is my 32nd year in the field of schooling. So earlier every 10 years there was a change. We call it as generation gap, correct? Now we see that change in every 3 years, every 2 years now. Now every year there is a change. Things are getting personalized. What you have learned when you were in school and what children are learning now in the schools is completely different. In fact, you are also evolving with your children. You are also learning a lot of new things along with your children. Am I right, all of you? No, correct. So you are also navigating between what you already know and what is happening now. So there is always a mental dilemma. Oh, what is happening here? Is the school going in a right way? Memaithe atla chadukoledu. But there are a lot of changes now. The investment on education has really gone up 10x times now. So what Euroschool is doing is to work along with the market trends. Euroschool believes in, let's say, for example, we talk about academics. You all know Euroschool academics. From Eurokids, they transition to a bigger school. So when they come to a bigger school, when they come to us, what happens is we teach academics in two things. What we teach and how we teach. This is very important as to what we are teaching. Whether we are teaching 21st century skills, whether we are teaching them communication skills, whether we are teaching them to be emotionally stronger, because children nowadays are very sensitive. For small things they cry, for small things they are happy. And how they should control themselves, how they should speak in public, what are social skills, what are emotional skills, all that we teach. And how we are teaching? We teach through multiple intelligence theory. So what is multiple intelligence theory? In fact, if you have time, please go around the campus and meet my admission counselors. Irrespective of whether you take admission or not, please meet them. They will explain you what Euroschool is all about, how you navigate, how your children should go. When they go to schooling, what is that as a parent you should look? What is that as a parent you should ask the school? All that they will let you know. So we have our admissions head, Mr. Srinivas here. You can contact him. He will take you through the music rooms, the dance rooms. We have Mr. Rohan also here, who is from Torrens International. How many of you heard about Shankar Ehsan Loy? Shankar Mahadevan, have you heard? Yes. So for Shankar Ehsan Loy are 3 people. They come here and teach music to the children. Please come. He teaches guitar. So we teach guitar, drums, keyboard, music. Like that, we have dance rooms, we have speech and drama, we have swimming, skating, football, basketball, cricket, taekwondo, chess, all these things. So go around the campus, experience it, and then decide what is that your children want. Thank you, all of you. Good luck to all your children. God bless them.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech. We truly feel blessed to have you with us. Thank you so much, respected directors, principal, for gracing this occasion and lighting the ceremonial lamp. Your presence and blessings have truly added warmth and significance to our annual day celebration. We are so excited to see our little star shine on the stage. This is our ramp walk where our adorable preschoolers will show us how confident, joyful and stylish they are. As each child walks down the ramp, remember that they are not just walking, but showing the world their big smiles, their courage and all the wonderful things they have learned. Every step they take is a step of confidence and fun, and it fills our hearts with so much pride. We are about to start the ramp walk by our lovely playgroup children. They may be small, but their confidence is big. Parents, get ready for the cutest part of the program. Let's welcome and encourage them with our your applause and enjoy this delightful performance. Now I call playgroup children. Neel, Viransh, Devansh, Somika, Chaitwik, Gahana, Sri Shanvita, Janvita, Sanvika, Jarshita, Varenya, Dhruv Shriyam, Viraj, Sheikh Ayan, Ela Kartikeya, Janvika.
Three, two, one, let's go. Everybody put your hands in the air.
tonight. I want all of you tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight.
Charming Ramfolk, our young ones have filled this hall with happiness. A special shout out to our little participants for making this event even more memorable. Coming up next is Nursery Might Angle Ramfolk. Our little ones have dressed beautifully and practiced with so much excitement. Please cheer for them as they make their way onto the stage. Let's give a big round of applause for amazing children. Dear parents, next approach is special moment Our nursery little bunnies are all set for the ramp walk. Let's welcome them with a big smile and warm applause as they come forward with joy and style.
Essa bola vai rolar. Mundo é um tapete verde. Quando a bola chega lá, coração fica na rede, na rede, na rede. Olá, olá.
I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Feel how the planets become one. It's like a drum to this and rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball. The entire world soars like an eagle. And we all we play like we dance. Only today, there's no tomorrow. Leave all behind in this place. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 I dare you. Let go. Let go. You have arrived, it's the place. No more doubts, the time is coming. Feel how the planets become one like a drum. Destiny's calling. German, Colombian, Spanish and French. Off the bench, you gotta own it. Down here we play like we dance. It's Brazil, and now you know it. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. With everyone watching, it's truth or dare. Can you feel it? La 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 I dare you. Is it true that you want it? Then act like you mean it. The whole world is watching. It's truth or dare. Can you feel it? Feel it? Feel it? Feel I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Children, for the fantastic ramp walk, you walked with much confidence and joy. Parents, let's cheer louder for our cute super models. Now we are ready to begin our adorable Euro Junior Dory ramp walk. Our little stars are excited to step onto the stage and show their confidence. Get ready to enjoy their cute and colorful walk.
DJ Nathan. DJ Nathan.
Me tratas
Let's celebrate their efforts with a huge applause. Please. Next, upcoming is Euro Junior Nemo Ramp. We warmly welcome all Euro Junior Nemo kids to showcase their confidence and style on the dais. Our kids are excited and show off their moves and shine like a superstars. Get ready, Euro Senior Mini Kids. We are thrilled to invite you to flourish the dais with your superstar moves.
DJ for the ladies. Hey girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. You're deaf. My girl, you a champion, bubble like you bubble for a cause. Bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you a bubble pan, you me eye pass. Girl, you make me know, sir, don't give a false. Girl, your lips them minty like hearts. Me bring you gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, your waistline I got throw me in a pass. My song I play on a low rolls. Girl, your skin clean. Girl, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Baby, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you what me I tell you right now. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. If your man not tell you the things, then baby, then me they are for you. Right now you have my attention, my girl. If I know music, then I yo. Girl, come wind up your body and whisper in my ears later what you want to do. Later on, me need you to come assist me. Help me stretch out me flow. Girl, your skin clean. Girl, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Baby, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're Baby, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. You're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. My girl, you a champion, bubble like a bubble for a cause. Bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you a bubble pine, you me eye pass. Girl, you make me know, sir, guns if a falls. Girl, your lips them minty like halls. Me bring you gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, your waistline I got you in a pass. My song I play on a low ras. Girl, your skin clean. Girl, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Girl, your skin clean. Girl, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect.
Amazing work. I think everyone here is feeling a lot of pride and joy. Let's show our appreciation for everyone involved. Give her a big round of applause, please. Next, Euro Senior Mickey, it's time to shine. We are beyond excited to invite you to own the dance with your magnifying style and charisma and make this moment truly unforgettable. wonderful achievements of our Euro kids, it's time to take a moment and share with you a glimpse of the heart of our school, the place where all the magic happens. In this video, you will see the fun, laughter and creativity that fill our classrooms every day. You will see the bright smiles of our children, the hard work of our dedicated teachers, and nurturing environment where learning comes to life in the most colorful and joyful ways. From arts and crafts to story time, from playtime to performances, our school is a space where every child imagination soars and their skills bloom. We hope this video gives you a glimpse into the little moments that make our school so special and big dreams that we are helping our little ones build. So sit back, relax and enjoy the wonderful journey through our school. Let's watch as we celebrate the spirit of learning, laughter and love that defines us. Now it's time for the dance performance for our little stars. As we all know, preschoolers have an amazing energy and joy that they express is the most beautiful way through dance. Today our little ones will take the stage and share their love for music and movement. With every step, spin and jump, they are going to fill this room with laughter, rhythm and pure joy. Each dance performance that will you see today is a reflection of the hard work, creativity and fun that our children have put into their practice. Whether it's a traditional dance, a fun, peppy number or a creative expression, every child's performance will be a beautiful celebration of their confidence and enthusiasm. So let's cheer up and clap our tiny dancers as they take the stage with all their heart and soul. Let's celebrate their creativity, their confidence and most importantly, their incredible spirit. Without further delay, let's get ready to enjoy the dance performance by our kiddos and watch them shine with their beautiful moves. The stage is all set and our little PG dancers are ready to show you how much fun they are had practicing. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause as they light up the stage. Neil Chinmay, Viransh Ved, Devansh, Somika, Chaitwik, Gahana, Sri Shanvita, Janvita.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
tiny nursery little bunny dancers have been practicing hard and today they are ready to show us their joy and energy to dance. Let's cheer them on us. They take their first steps in the spotlight. Advait Chandra, Advait Ram, Advait Gaur, Bhavagna, Charit Nandan, Gagan Vihari, Gaurav, Kushal Sai, Mihan, Riyansh Verma, Shreyansh, Samanvita, Viha. Please come on to the dais.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Here's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come with me. The door is open now every day. This 1+2 rendezvous, all invited. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Here's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. We are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Here's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah.
Wasn't that absolutely adorable? Let's give a big round of applause to our talented little dancers. They have worked so hard and today they have shown us what true joy looks like. Thank you, kids. Our ES little stars are ready to take you a wonderful journey through the solar system. They will introduce the planets and share some fun facts. Sit back and enjoy the delightful space adventure. Sveda, Earth, Rayansh, Sun, Rishita, Mercury, Prajesh, Venus, Ketan Arush, Jupiter, Ishan, Mars, Sharinishita, Star, Rutvika, Saturn, Veda.
अनंत अविचल इस सौरमंडल में अंधेरे का राज्य था। बदलते समय के साथ वातावरण में बदलाव हुआ और इस अंधेरे घने सौरमंडल में एक जोरदार धमाका हुआ। सब उथल पुथल हो गया। इसी को बिग बैंग बोला गया। इस धमाके से अनेक ग्रह और तारों की निर्मिति हुई।
System. In the center is the sun. All the planets move around it. We've seen every single one orbiting the big bright sun. Orbiting the big bright sun.
My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth, and I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. My name is Mars. I am red in color. I'm the fourth planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. Humans have named me the icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I am blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I have too many storms in my atmosphere, and I'm the furthest planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
Wasn't that amazing? Our little stars truly shine today. They helped us learn about the planets in such a fun way. Great job, children. A performance that will fill your heart with joy. Our Euro Junior little ones are all set to dazzle you with their dance moves and infectious energy. C.H. Adya, Gyanvi, Janvi, Laksh, Anjali, Tanvika, Chaitrika, Cheryl Joy, Mokshagna, Chaitra, Vihan, Zoya, Eshita. Please come on to the dais.
कुठे चालला जा तू तर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे
शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसम ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
That was truly wonderful. A big round of applause for our Euro Junior dancers for sharing their love of dance and spreading happiness with all of us. Thank you, kids. Today's celebration. How about a huge round of applause for the amazing teamwork we have seen today. Now it's time to appreciate the heart of our institution, our teachers. We are honored to invite our dedicated and hardworking teachers onto the stage to receive their awards. This recognition is a small token of our gratitude for their commitment, patience, and the love they show our children every single day. Please join me in welcoming Vatika teacher onto the stage to accept an award with the title Nurture. Vatika ma'am, teacher who provide the care, attention and tenderness that every young mind need to flourish. She creates a space where children not only learn but thrive emotionally, socially and intellectually. Please join me in welcoming Gauri Madhavi teacher onto the stage to receive an award with the title Builder, the one who laid down the bricks of knowledge, resilience and joy, creating a strong structure that will hold up the dreams of our future leaders. Give a big round of applause, please. Now I welcome Aishwarya teacher to the stage to receive an award with the title Champion. The teacher who show unwavering commitment, fight for every child potential and celebrate each little victory along the way. Please join me in welcoming Pratyusha teacher to the stage to accept an award with the title Creator. With her creativity, she makes learning fun, engaging and inspiring, turning every lesson into an adventure. She don't just teach, she ignites the imagination of every child in her care. Now I welcome Sri Lakshmi teacher to the stage to accept an award with the title Architect. She is the one who laid the first stones of child educational journey carefully, constructing the structure of knowledge, creativity and confidence. With every lesson, every interaction and every moment of care, she is building the future. Please join me in welcoming Krishna Priya teacher to the stage to receive an award with the title Shaper. She is the one who molds not just minds but futures. With her guidance and nurturing spirit, she helps children discover their potential and develop skills that will serve them for a lifetime. Please give her a big round of applause. Now I welcome Padmaja teacher to the stage to receive an award with the title Pioneer. Every great journey begins with a pioneer. She is the one who trailblaze opening new doors and learning of innovation in the classroom and who embrace every challenge with enthusiasm and optimism, showing our children that anything is possible. Please join me in welcoming Vani teacher to the stage to accept an award with the title Instructor. She is the one who expertly guides our little learners through the exciting world discovery, shaping their intellectual growth and encouraging their individual brilliance. Please join me in welcoming Santosh Dance Master to the stage to accept an award with the title Dance Guru, who has guided our little stars with the passion, patience and perfect choreography. Your dedication, creativity and hard work have brought life to every performance on this stage. Thank you for shaping our kids with confidence and helping them shine through dance. I know it's time for our playgroup Little Stars to shine. Let's get ready to see more incredible dance moves as our preschoolers take the stage. Sanvika, Jarshita, Varenya, Dhruv Shriyan, Viraj, Sheikh Ayan, Leela Kartikeya, Janvika. that, our PG Little Stars have surely made us all smile with their fabulous dance moves. Let's give them another big cheer for their fantastic performance. It's time to watch our ES tiny dancers express themselves through rhythm and movement. Let's give them a huge cheer as they bring their performance to life. Rutvi, Dakshinya, Nagahanvita, Jagruti, Rishan Chaudhary, Gayatri, Haris, Sai Sudha, Ankrut, Tanshika, Hetvika, Adya. Please come on to the dais.
Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need. Wait until the Reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000 million lives.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control. 'Cause there's magic in my bones. Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. 'Cause there's magic in my bones.
दिल में अपने दिलदारी है, खून में खातिरदारी है। दिल में अपने दिलदारी है, खून में खातिरदारी है। चांद के झूमर के नीचे जश्न की फुल तैयारी है। चांद के झूमर के नीचे जश्न की फुल तैयारी है। दिल का पिंजरा है खुला, आगे फिर इंशाअल्लाह। आज राती तू रूमी यार तेरा ये बुल्ला हो। चाहे जितनी हो रात काली, हम बना दे उसको दिवाली। समझे जनाबे 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 आली। समझे जनाबे 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 आली। खोल के अंग्रेजों वाली धुन में थोड़ी सी कव्वाली। जनाबे 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 आली।
समझे जनाब आली।
Our amazing dancers for filling the stage with so much energy and joy. Let's show them how proud we are with a huge round of applause. Are ready to dance? Their performance is full of colorful movements and cheerful steps that will surely make your heart smile. Now I welcome Adil Sheikh, Dikshit, Hanshik Reddy, Hanshit Ram, Kriyansh, Kuchit Kedar, Kritisha, Lokansha, Lokadwik, Manwit, Rishan Sai, Sidvika, Shritik Nandan, Etish Lal.
Will you sing with me? Say D. D. Say I. Say S. C. O. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना. तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो. Go! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer.
There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Baby, you so sexy.
Boy, you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
When I see you looking at me, आजा बात कर ले दिल की, होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
Oh, disco दीवाने. नशीली है रात, तो हाथों में हाथ, नाचे गाए साथ.
There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special.
Loud energy part of your dance. You are so graceful and had so much fun. Well done. Keep shining. Thank you, kids. Now it's time to appreciate a very important part of our school family, our supporting staff. They are the silent strength behind every successful event. From keeping our surroundings clean to helping our teachers and taking care of our children with so much patience, they truly make everything run smoothly. Today we proudly honor their dedication, hard work and commitment. As a token of gratitude, we would like to present medals to our wonderful supporting staff. I welcome Rajam, Savitri, Ishwaramma, Subbalakshmi, Bhavani, Akila. Come on to the dais. Hello. Bhavani, thank you so much. Akila, thank you so much, Akila. Savitri, thank you, Amma. ఎప్పుడు అలా నవ్వుతూ ఉండాలి నువ్వు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సుబ్బలక్ష్మి. మా పిల్లల్ని చాలా బాగా చూసుకుంటున్నావు నువ్వు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఈశ్వరమ్మ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. A big round of applause, please. Kriyansh father and mother, please come to the pickup point. I request Kriyansh father and our Euro Junior Little Tots, season of smiles, season of joy. Come on stage with every new season. There's magic in the air. Kids, let's celebrate together with music. Ganvi, Harshit, Jashwita, Prajwal, Rishik, Vishwanath, Rex, Pavishka, Lakshmi Adya, Laswi, Nainika, Vivan, Yuvan, Eshika. Please come on to the dais.
summertime, summertime. It's summertime, summertime. Let's go to the beach and play with tambourine. Get some pictures clicked with photo bombing scene. It's summertime, summertime. It's summertime. Let's bathe in the pool and splash some water cool. Lick on those lollies, oh that would be so cool. Hey, hey.
Zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam. Zooby-dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam. Zooby-dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्म में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
Ay, 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 zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man।
Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man।
मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है। मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है। जल 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 थल जल थल चल 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 बहता चल।
Made everyone very happy. Keep dancing, having fun, and shining like the little stars you are. Give them a big round of applause, please, parents. Pratyusha ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my honor to appreciate two remarkable persons of our preschool today. Please join me in welcoming our respected principal, Miss Sajida ma'am, to the stage to receive Dynamic Leader Award. We are honored to recognize your dedication, vision, passion, and innovative ideas for education. Your leadership inspires all and strengthens the confidence of every parent. A heartfelt thank you, ma'am, for your unwavering support till lasting impact on our school community. Thank you for being an exceptional role model and mentor. Thank you, Sajda ma'am. Now, please join me in welcoming Miss Anita ma'am to the stage to receive their Visionary Academic Coordinator Award. A heartfelt appreciation to our energetic and dedicated academic coordinator whose constant support, guidance, and enthusiasm keep our team motivated and our students shining. Thank you, ma'am, for your commitment and hard work. We are honored to present this award as a token of our gratitude and recognition for your outstanding service. Thank you. Over to Anita, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I welcome our Euro senior kiddos. Here comes a performance that's full of love and gratitude for our parents. The amazing role of our parents with his heartfelt song. Let's cheer for our talented performers. Ankrut Sai, Devansh Reddy, Haris Khan, Hetvika Reddy, Ridish Nandan, Rutvika, Sai Sudha, Sharini Shrita, Vedashri, Sai J, Tanshika, Dakshinya, Ishan, Gayatri Mansa Reddy, Jagruti, Ketan Arush, Nagahanvita, Praji Sriram, Reyansh, Rishita, Rutvi, Rushant, Vedashri, Adyashri. Please come on to the dais.
ప్రపంచంలో తల్లిని మించిన యోధులు ఎవ్వరూ లేరు.
నాన్న ఎందుకో వెనకబడ్డాడు, అది శీర్షిక. అమ్మ 9 నెలలు మోస్తే నాన్న 25 ఏళ్ళు. రెండూ సమానమే అయినా నాన్న ఎందుకో వెనకబడ్డాడు. నాన్న ఇలా వెనకబడిపోవడానికి కారణం ఆయన మా అందరికీ వెన్నెముక కావడమే. వెన్నెముక వెనక ఉండబట్టే కదా దన్నుగా నిలబడగలుగుతున్నాం. ఇదేనేమో నాన్న వెనకబడిపోవడానికి కారణం.
దండం పెట్టుకోమంటారు నానా.
అడిగినవన్నీ ఇస్తాడు కాబట్టి.
అన్ని ఇచ్చేవాడిని దేవుడు అనరు, నానా అంటే.
ఏ కష్టం ఎదురొచ్చినా, కన్నీళ్లు ఎదిరించినా, ఆనందం అనే ఉయ్యాలలో నన్ను పెంచిన నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో, నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో, నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో అంకితం నా ప్రతీక్షణం. నేనే దారిలో వెళ్ళినా, ఏ అడ్డు నన్నాపినా, నీ వెంట నేనున్నానని నన్ను నడిపించిన నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో, నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో, నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో అంకితం నా ప్రతీక్షణం.
And you made it really special for all the parents. You all express so much love and gratitude. Well done, kids. This song is dedicated to all the parents. Please give a big round of applause. By all our little kids, this performance is our way of saying a big thank you to all the parents for your constant support and encouragement. I warmly welcome all our children to come onto the stage and get ready for their wonderful performance. Parents, please sit back and enjoy this beautiful surprise from our tiny stars.
Yeah. Hey.
कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे गम को चबाते जाएं सबको बताते जाएं अपनी हसरतें यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी कुल सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से
भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना
आएंगे ना
Yo, listen up now, school's out, hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ishq and make you sing. School's out, hear the bell ring. Tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ishq and make you sing.
थ्योरी में कमजोर है प्रैक्टिकल चैंपियन तोड़ दे हम दीवारों को है बोन्स में कैल्शियम पढ़ने से जो हो ना हो टीचर से प्यार हो फ्यूचर हो रास्ते पे आंखों में स्टार्स हो दर बार घर छोड़े जो भी मिले उसे छेड़े मस्ती में चले कीड़े बने खाने लगे ऐसे क्यों किताबों को चश्मे लग गए साइंस पढ़े आर्ट्स पढ़े दिन पढ़े रात पढ़े कुछ भी ना पढ़े सर पे जो डंडे सिलेबस गंदे फिर भी हम कहें
भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना
आएंगे ना
Thank you, parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you! Hip hip! Hip hip!
I'm here to extend our heartfelt thanks to all who made this event so special. First and foremost, a big thank you to our directors for gracing us with your presence. To our parents, thank you for your constant trust and collaboration, your involvement in every little detail from guiding your children to the stage to cheering them on with so much pride has made today a true reflection of the strong partnership we share in shaping the future of our young learners. A heartfelt thank you to the wonderful teachers. You are the heart and soul of this institution. Your dedication, patience and passion for nurturing young minds are what make our preschool a place of love, creativity and growth. Today we saw the fruits of your hard work and we are truly grateful for everything you do to shape the lives of our children. To our little performers, you were all stars today. Please give the them a big round of applause. Your enthusiasm, energy and joy have made this event truly magical. Watching you shine on stage has reminded within each of you. Keep dreaming big, little ones. I would also like to thank the support staff. A special thanks to the Santosh Dance Master and a Square Designer Studio, Shaheen Man. And last but certainly not least, I would like to thank every child for making this day so memorable. In closing, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to all who made this event a resounding success. We look forward to more celebrations, milestones and moments for growth with each of you in the years to come. Thank you once again and I wish you all a wonderful afternoon ahead. Please take the position for the national anthem. Please the parents.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे